back to my YouTube channel, The Blush Brunette. Today I have a very exciting video for you guys that I actually did a couple weeks ago, and I'm finally sitting down and getting around to filming it. But I'm so excited to bring you guys a very extra Plato's Closet haul. A lot of these pieces, as you can see from the outfit I'm wearing in my color palette, that it is going to be fall and winter inspired. I picked up so many coats, and a lot of them you just don't see on the everyday market or online, and so it's super cool that I was able to find them. And I'll be giving you guys a little personal try-on haul lookbook. I haven't been thrifting in about a couple years, so being able to go to Plato's Closet for my Halloween week at school was really exciting, and the fact that I found so many really cool things I really love just proves that I should definitely start thrifting again. So I think I'm going to be doing that and doing like thrift flips and maybe reselling some of the things on my Etsy shop. I'll link it right here for you guys. And on my new website, which will be launching in about a month, called www.theblushbrunette.com, which you guys can see on my Instagram if you want to follow me right here at the_blush_brunette, where I do my fashion photography, me doing travel pics this summer. So you guys should definitely join the glam dump and subscribe, like this video, comment down below which outfit and which piece was definitely your favorite, because I'm so excited to see what you guys think of this haul. I'm just so excited to show you guys everything, so let's just get right into the video. I'm going to start with the tops and the dress that I got first. So this dress is so incredibly beautiful. It is an Exhilaration from Target dress. I think that it was around $8 or $9, and this dress looks like this. Super pretty, you can see up close the fabric, and it ties in the front. I can wear it out to dinner, and it just looks super classy and really pretty. I'm super excited that I found it. The next thing that I got is, so this was Loft, and this was $7, small sweatshirt pullover, and I just think this is so incredibly cute. I love the floral print. It looks so cute with like white jeans or my really pretty watercolor locked heels. So I think there's just so many different ways to wear this, and I'm so excited to style it. The next top that I got is a small in a size 10, and it's from Lavender Field. And it has a sort of kind of V-neck, and then it has, as you can see, little pom-poms, so super cute little detail. And I'm excited to try this on for you. This is definitely much more summery than the fall and winter piece, but I think it's going to be super cute just to wear around the house when I'm editing and filming my videos. Lastly, even though it's kind of ugly, everybody needs a good solid Christmas sweater in a size small for $8. And it's kind of cute. The whole thing is blue, and then it has like, you know, like the little cute little pom-poms, and I don't know, I think it's like a little cute detail. I wouldn't be totally upset wearing this. I'm gonna probably wear it in my Glammas series. Okay guys, so now quickly on to the jackets that I got. This one is super heavy duty, it's really big, and a lot of the things that I got in my next part of this video is from Forever 21. Maybe in the future I'll do a big Forever 21 haul. This jacket is a medium, so it's slightly oversized, and we got it for $12. And it's gray, which is gonna go perfect with that pullover from Loft. And it has the fur neck, and I mean, it has a huge belt. Gray is not one of my favorite colors. I don't have a lot of gray in my wardrobe, but I think that with the right outfit, this could definitely look super cute. Next jacket that I got is actually really crazy. This was insane. It is a double-sided sequin jacket. Isn't this so crazy? I would never wear this on a regular basis, and you can see how it goes up and down. This is just crazy. Leave a comment down below and give this video a big thumbs up. If we can get this video to 100 likes, then I will do a video of me going out in public wearing crazy, glamorous, and out of the norm outfits for a week. Next, I have a burgundy kind of brown leather jacket. I have a light blue cornfield studded leather jacket, but I don't have the classic retro black leather jacket. Size small, and I got this for $16, and I love all of the little gold detailing. The jacket fits me absolutely perfectly. This is definitely like a staple for your wardrobe. Every girl needs to have a black leather jacket, but the ultimate girly girl needs to have a pink or rose gold leather jacket. Size small, and I got this for $12, which is such a steal. This jacket is insane. So incredibly cute, and it has like the satin kind of lined interior. I love this so much. Again, this is another Forever 21 piece, and this is a like kind of half jacket that's the fur, and it's black, and it's a size small, and this is just so cute. I think it's gonna keep me so warm and cozy in the winter, and I think I'm gonna wear it with this outfit. This is a Forever 21, and this is from their contemporary collection. It had the tag on it, but I took it off because I obviously was wearing it a couple times. As you can see, it has the Forever 21 tag logo from Contemporary, and it's super cute. It's kind of sporty but girly because it has the purple satin and it has like the burgundy and white stripes. This is definitely very fall, and it looks super cute with high-waisted jeans, and I love the little touch of the little circle as the zipper. So that is the end of the jacket. So now we're going to be getting on into accessories, and then lastly we're going to be doing the shoes. Hey guys, we just got back from church and it was 47 degrees outside, super freezing, so I just quickly grabbed this black coat. So now on to the accessories. So the first bag that I purchased was this gold one. This was $8 and it is a small purse. As I look harder at it, you can tell that it's like not symmetrical. And I mean, the chain is super pretty. I really like the chain, but I don't like the insides and how magnetic it is. So the next bag is actually a large Aldo blush clutch. I absolutely love the suede details and then the leather and the contrast and then the simplicity of like the gold triangle hardware. I think it's just so lovely. And on the inside it has this beautiful like rose satin almost. It has a couple stains, but besides that I think it's really pretty and I absolutely love the inside. And it also has like a little phone pocket where you can keep like your money, and it has like a dark gold chain. I just really like this. I wore it to homecoming and it was like a perfect clutch. It fit my extra pair of socks, it had my lipstick, my phone. It literally had everything in here, and I just think it looks really like classy and elegant, like, you know, holding it around. I just think it's a really cute purse, and I will definitely be checking out Aldo more because I really want to see like other things that they have, and I'm really excited that I found this because I think I'm going to be using this for a lot more to come. I just think it's the perfect little size. I did get 4 bags, so on to the third one is this designer Jones New York signature bag. Now I have been obsessed with Chanel, and Chanel is my #1 beauty brand and fashion icon, but I really wanted a pink kind of quilted bag. Literally so much room on the inside, and I love the nude pattern. I think anything like light colors, especially the nude, and with the logo all over the place, really does look more expensive. We resold it for $14 as the large purse. So yeah, this is like the perfect shopping length. It's like the perfect little resting point. I don't know, I absolutely love this. Lastly, as you probably could have guessed and seen behind me, the 4th bag is this one. And isn't it absolutely heavenly? It is me in a bag. Walking out to the checkout, and then all of a sudden this bag, which was not there, I swear, 5 minutes earlier, was hanging on the shelves, which they use to put things that they just bought off people before they put it into the store. And I kid you not, this brand new, because it had the plastic over it, which I just took it off before the video. It had the Betsy Johnson logo. This is a designer bag which sells for like $80 to $100, and these are so incredibly beautiful. Isn't this bag absolutely precious? I love the giant bow detail and all the gold hardware. I love the stripes. I think it's so classy and like trendy, but also very preppy. Like, I feel like this is a bag that will never ever ever go out of style. And on the inside is the signature Betsy Johnson print. It is the really beautiful black, pink and green floral. And I love all the pockets and all the big sizes in it. I think it's just absolutely stunning. And I'm really excited to carry this bag around with me. It is so perfect. You can style it like so many different ways. You can have it on your arm, you can hold it with your hands, you can swing it over your shoulder. There's just so many different ways that you can style it basically. So this Betsy Johnson large purse sold for $20. That is such a steal. That was basically like $60 to $70 off what this would originally cost. And I absolutely love the little heart detail, and it says Betsy XOX. And I think it's just so darling and it's so girly. It's like the ultimate literal ultimate bag. I think this definitely completes my transition to a girly girl. So for the last part of this giant haul, I have jewelry and I have my shoes. These earrings were so cool, so trendy. I think they're gonna look amazing when I go traveling and maybe to Europe or somewhere exotic. I feel like they're just gonna look really cute. And it looks like this. I absolutely love the earrings so much. I love all of the details and especially like the super long tassels. They're so cute and they look so cute on. I have this glorious find. It literally looks like Versace glasses. They're so cool. I love the sunglass gradient and I love like the gold detailing on the side. I think it looks very designer inspired. And even though I do have prescription, because sometimes I do have to take my glasses off when I'm shooting, and I think these are just so cool. And I cannot wait to show you guys how I style these. These just add a class and a glamour to everything. I finally found, okay, so backstory. I have been on Etsy, I have been on Amazon, I have been on Shein, I have even been in malls trying to find these. I wanted Chanel earrings that were like the No. 5 perfume with the signature Chanel logo, like the flower emblem, but I couldn't find any that literally looked like Chanel. And I did wear these in my Haul Week video. I'll be showing you guys and insert pictures right here because these are my Audrey Hepburn earrings, and I did find the perfect ones because look, you guys, these were $8 and aren't they just insane? They're just perfect. I cannot believe I found them. They're so cute on. I love pink velvet and I love pearls and I love gold, and this just has everything. And this is a super pretty blush velvet gold hardware pearl flower choker, and this was I think $13. It just looks so cute on. I'm in love with this and I think it's gonna look so cute with my school uniform. It's supposed to be a perfume bottle, but I'm actually using it instead into a toothbrush holder because I think it's super glamorous and really cute. There are 3 pairs of shoes that I got in this haul. They're all amazing. Blush, pointed toe, velvet flats. They fit me so well. I absolutely love the pattern. Yeah, these were $10. And I just think that these are so perfect. And the next pair of shoes I've seen as a trend going around at my school. A lot of people have these except in the white instead of the salmon pink. Now these are the Adidas Superstar holographic pink sneakers. Aren't they so incredibly cute? I mean, look at this. This is so cute. And I love the entire shoe is pink. I find that normally the laces are different colors or the side is a different color. I just really like, and even the bottom, I mean the whole thing is super cute. Are these not the most beautiful fall vintage glam shoe you've ever seen in your entire life? I love these. Well, first of all, I love the pattern so much. I love the pointy toe, I love the back, I love how it's a boot, and I especially love how there's the logo on the inside, and I love the gold and the flowers. It just reminds me of like Victorian ornate wallpaper. I don't know, I just think these are really beautiful and I think they're gonna go with so many of my fall outfits.